The story, Kenya's manufacturing sector is poised to rebound even as the country expands investments in infrastructure and lowering the cost of power. According to Trade and Industrialization Cabinet Secretary Betty Maina, the country is on track towards being a leading light in the region. KTN's Vivian Wandera accompanied the CS on a tour of the Export Processing Zone Authority and filed this report detailing the state of the export business.
When you buy a Calvin Klein sweatpant or a Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt, do you ever imagine that they are all manufactured in Kenya? Kenya's Export Processing Zone mandate is to develop all aspects of EPZs with a particular emphasis of attracting export-oriented investments. Companies like MAS intimates, a Sri Lankan company that has footprints in 17 countries worldwide with 99,000 global talent pool, started its operations in Kenya in January 2020 at Athi River EPZ and currently employs over 2,000 Kenyans while promoting the concept Made in Kenya.
Actually, 100% we are doing export market here. Our strategy is making garments in using Kenyan talents to export markets. When we come to the locals markets, we have to discuss with another strategy. In this strategy, we focus on for exporting market.
The company has shipped more than $1.5 million worth of garments predominantly to the United States and to Canada, followed by other countries like Mexico, Australia, and Japan, among others.
One of the things like where you are visiting today is the EPZ. So government provides serviced industrial parks that it can attract investments and locate investment. The second thing that we do in addition to service sites like the EPZs or SEZs is the provision of incentives, especially tax incentives.
Speaking while touring the MAS Intimate factory based in Athi River, Trade and Industrialization Cabinet Secretary Betty Maina exuded confidence in Kenya's quest to become a global powerhouse in the manufacturing space.
We are actually excited. The reason why government chose apparel is because of that resilience. The reorganization of global supply chains means that locations such as Kenya are an vantage point to attract more investment. So one of the things we're trying to do very hard is to locate a larger part of the supply chain within our country. So textile manufacturing, for instance, and other suppliers.
Vivian Wandera, KTN News.
Right, and we finish up with what will be waking up